Girl, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Jasmin Marie. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, sis? So today I'm going to be doing a smoky eye date night makeup tutorial. A slick back bun because I don't feel like doing my hair, you guys. I went to the gym. And yeah, a quick bun. You can never go wrong with a sleek bun. So yes, we have a bun. I'm wearing an off-shoulder sweater dress. If you are not subscribed to my channel, girl, stop what you're doing, hit subscribe. Because if you ain't subscribed, then girl, what are you doing? So yes, let's jump right into it.
Hey baby dolls, so we are back with a voiceover, and as you guys can see, I'm starting with my brows per usual. Nothing's different. I always start with my brows because that's what frames my face, girl. So yes, filling them in just in the areas that are a little sparse, and I'm using the Maybelline brow express brow, and I will try to list everything down below. And of course, what I do to one side I have to do to the other. So I actually picked up this ColourPop concealer a while back, and it's extremely too light for me. So I'm just using that to prep my lids before I go in with my eyeshadow. And I'm going to blend it out with a big fluffy brush from Morphe. And the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to go into is Amrezy. So if you have that palette, definitely use it and follow along. I don't know the colors off the top of my head, but I'm using a dark brown shade from the palette, and then I'm going to go in with New Yorker and OG, I believe, which is like in bronze orange shade, and I'm going to use that to blend this out. I like to pack on my shadows, as you can see, and then I blend them out for a effortless look. So as you guys can tell by now, this is probably one of my go-to looks. You guys know I love a brown smoky eye, and it's super easy to do. I do highly recommend this look for every day or date night. And I'm gonna go in with these Juvia's Place lashes that I picked up from Ulta. And while the glue dries, I'm going to prime my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip primer, which is supposedly a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip, which it's pretty good. I can't even lie. Okay, so boom, that is done. I got my lashes on. I'm gonna go into Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm going to apply it with a damp beauty sponge. This foundation is very matte, as you guys will see. I don't put a lot of foundation on my face. I just try to get an even complexion. I really don't put any on my forehead or underneath my eyes directly, because that is where the concealer is. So, you know, less is more. Although it looks like a lot of product, I try to use as little foundation as possible. All right, girls, so I don't do this for every day, but I'm going to take another foundation by Maybelline, and I think this is in the shade Coconut, but I'm going to use that to contour, to cream contour. So that's what you see me doing. And remember, I don't know about you guys, but I always start off and it looks crazy, but don't worry, we're going to blend for the guys and get it together. Oh, and major key is to get another foundation brush, like a fluffy one like you see here, and I'm just going over that just to make sure it blends smoothly and you don't have any of those like harsh lines where you can just like really tell, you know, the difference. So yeah, that's a little trick for you guys. All right, so boom, I'm gonna go into concealer. I'm using the Too Faced concealers. These are my top two. I have light beige and shortbread. Shortbread is just extremely light. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but I'm applying light beige, and then on the corners of the inner part of my eye, I'm gonna use shortbread. And again, this is why I do not apply a lot of foundation on my face, on my forehead and my under eyes, because I use concealer. So I'm gonna speed this part up. I'm just blending it out with a damp sponge, and look at the difference. Boom, it looks so flawless. Love it here. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side and kind of disperse the product throughout my face, and then we'll set it. And I don't know about you guys, but voiceovers are so relaxing to me. Put on your best customer service voice, girl, and it's super easy. Go ahead and do that voiceover and don't be nervous. Girl, I know I look crazy, okay? And I don't know what happened. I forgot to record when I was setting my face, but I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills banana setting powder, and I'm blending it all in with a pressed powder by MAC, and I'm using this Naya Vista brush. Look at homegirl in the back. She was doing her makeup too. I'm pressing it into my skin with the Naya Vista stippling brush or something, and this is just how you're gonna get it all to blend effortlessly. So I was looking crazy, but it's coming together. So as you guys saw, I went ahead and set my contour with Fenty bronzer, and then I added some blush from Juvia's Place. So my complexion is pretty much almost done, And I'm going to add the same New Yorker brown underneath my eyes, kind of just bring it all together. And I did add a little bit of white liner. Oh, and I also went in with a loose highlighter from Juvia's Place to the inner part of my eye, and that's basically the finished look, you guys. I'm using a brown lip liner from NYX and a nude brown matte lip from Juvia's Place. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Hey guys, if you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate it. The finished look. Let me zoom out just a bit so y'all can get
the full effect. So yes, this is the finished look. I will be wearing this on a date night tonight. So yes, I will be wearing this on a date night. I really like the way that the entire look pulled together. You guys know that I don't typically wear a full coverage heavy foundation. This is what I would consider heavy full coverage. Not heavy, because it definitely doesn't feel like I have a lot of makeup on, but you know, the process is a lot, and it definitely looks a lot in the video. So yeah, you know, just gotta keep your eye on the end goal. And I forgot to put on bottom mascara, but girl. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you did, give me a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one.
I gave you my soul. I gave you